Hello you, welcome to Teresa May's YouTube page. Today's video is how to register your Hello Pag-IBIG mobile application online. So first, download the Hello Pag-IBIG app, open the application, and click register to register. So get ready, make sure you have a stable internet, prepare your Pag-IBIG loyalty card plus for capture, prepare for a selfie, and this will take 3 to 5 minutes. And to continue, take a front photo of your Pag-IBIG loyalty card plus and take a selfie. Then smile. And of course, input the basic information. So, input your last name, your mobile number, your birthday, your membership ID number, your AUB ATM card number, and of course, your password, and confirm it next to verify. Then the system will send us a verification code to verify. The next is for our signature. So tap to sign. In here, write your signature or sign it, then click done and click I accept, then submit. Please don't close the application because they are uploading your information. Then, your registration has been submitted. Click finish. So let's try to open our Hello Pag-IBIG and log in. So, here is now our Hello Pag-IBIG application information. So, click profile. So, I recommend to take the biometric login setup because your registration is still for approval and there are some features that are limited. Check your message inbox and it says here that you need to upload your valid ID. So, we need to go back to our application and log in. So, take a photo of your ID, front and back, make it clear, and yeah, your ID has been submitted. And check the message for notification and that your Hello Pag-IBIG application with reference this has been approved. And now you can log in your Hello Pag-IBIG app and now you can access it and do your transaction. So, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and God bless you.